Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to crop an embedded photo in Photoshop. First, let's add our embedded image. Go to File and select Place Embedded. Choose the image you want to add. In this example, we'll use a picture of the moon. Once the image is placed, you might notice that when you try to crop it, the crop tool affects the entire canvas, not just the embedded image. To fix this, go to the Layers panel on the right-click on the embedded image layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This ensures Photoshop keeps the original image intact even after making changes. Next, double-click on the thumbnail of the Smart Object in the Layers panel. This action opens the embedded image in a new tab. In the new tab, use the Crop tool to crop the image as desired. For instance, we want to crop the moon, so adjust the crop box around the moon. Once you've positioned the crop box, press Enter to crop the image. After cropping, you need to save the changes. Press Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac to save the cropped smart object. Close the tab and you'll see the changes reflected in your main project. If the embedded image has a background you want to remove, select the Magic Eraser tool from the toolbar and click on the background area you want to remove. If prompted, rasterize the layer by clicking OK. Save the changes again, and the background will be removed from your main project. And there you go, now you have a perfectly cropped and edited image embedded in your main Photoshop project. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.